Hi, my name's Emily, and I'm going to show you how to wire and solder the sensor. First, for some safety tips, I would recommend wearing some safety glasses. And when you solder, you want to make sure you're holding your soldering pen like a pencil, and to make sure that you're not touching this metal part here so that you don't burn yourself. Okay, so now I'm going to start soldering to the charging board. So I'm going to solder some resistors to it first before we add the other wires. I've already soldered to the back a 470 ohm resistor. Now I'm going to solder another resistor on there. Again, this is another 470 ohm resistor. I've just bent these just so it would be easier for me to have a good connecting solder. Okay. So it looks like those are connected. I'm going to cut off the excess from the back of the sensor. I'm going to hold it so it doesn't fly off and hit anybody. So that excess is cut, and I'm going to cut both of these off. Okay. Now I'm going to attach one more 470 ohm resistor here. Alright, these wires are still going to be hot, so be careful about touching them right afterwards. I'm just going to cut off the excess. And now we have our three 470 ohm resistors connected to the battery charger. Okay, and so if you see on the wiring diagram, we also have a 4.7K ohm resistor, or 4700 ohm resistor, also attached to these three resistors, and what will be also connected to the ground. So I'm going to do that now. Now it's connected, and now I'm going to strip this wire. I'm going to spin these wires so that they're all in one piece, so they don't fray. And what I'm going to do what's called tinning. So I'm going to add a little bit of a solder to the outside of this wire, and then I'm going to make the connection in the ground port here. So very light solder coating on these wires here. And I'm going to go through the top, and then I'm going to solder the back of the wire. Again, I'm going to spin these wires, tin it. Again, just a small solder coating on the outside of these wires to protect a little bit. Now I want to connect it to this 4,700 ohm resistor. I'm going to bend it so that it can sit in there nicely while I solder. Now we have the ground wire connected to the resistor, and then these three resistors connected to the B+ port. So this is the 470 ohm, 470 ohm, 470 ohm, 4.7K ohm, and this all connects.